Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an exciting video and I'm touring one of my really good friends, Grace's dorm. She actually lives in yakʔitະut̥u, which are the new dorms on Cal Poly's campus, and I know so many of you guys really wanted to be able to see these dorms because there aren't any like dorm tours up, I don't believe. So I figured I would just call my friend up from high school, get her back on the channel.
Love being on the channel. It's an honor, Sam.
You want to talk a little bit about your dorm before we start showing it?
So I live in yakʔitະut̥u, which is one of the yakʔitະut̥u dorms. And as you'll see in this video, my dorm is like a really spacious dorm, but it's actually one of the smaller rooms in the new buildings because they have different configurations.
If you have any questions, comment them down below. Grace or I will answer in the comments. Yeah. Okay, before you walk in, you have this hallway right here. Alright, let's pan the room really fast.
Oh yeah, give it nice.
Okay.
Nice.
So we have one bed right there.
Are you putting music over it? So it's essential to have a mirror in a dorm. I feel like the ones where you can just kind of command strip onto the wall works better because then you don't have to put it over the door. So instead we put all our towels here, which is really nice because you just grab and go. And then, so right here are the two trash cans that they give us. This is the standard refrigerator they give us as well. We actually, unlike Sammy's dorm, we do not have a microwave in here. And then this is a printer that I bought. And I know, like, before college, I was hesitant about getting a printer because I've heard some people were like, nah, like, you don't really need it. But we've actually used it a lot.
Worth it.
And then over here, I have my laundry basket, which I actually like right there. I have a little nightstand. Me and my mom did a DIY plant thing right there.
Oh, that's really cute. I like that.
Thank you.
Do you really have an ironing board down there?
Yes, I do. This is kind of my junk area. Over here, I really wanted shelves when I came to college. I don't know why. So me and my mom went to Hobby Lobby. We found the shelf. I wanted like kind of a cool like farmhouse looking vintage thing.
Yeah, I love that so much.
Oh, hello. And then so over here I have another shelf. This is from Target. This is also from Target. This is from Home Depot.
I got mine from Kohl's.
It's almost identical to Sammy's.
Except yours like is dope because you could hang it. I couldn't put anything on the back to hang mine, so try to get something where you can like be able to hang on that.
I command stripped the bottom and then command stripped it with string, and then we just put like little vines around, kind of actually inspired from Sammy, not gonna lie.
I wanted to do that.
And my mom
I couldn't figure it out.
Command hooked
oh
the
my
ceiling.
Gosh.
And then use fishing wire, and I macrameed that string. So this is from Anthropology. It's really light and it's comfortable. It's easy to wash. There's no air condition or heat, so it.
I thought you had heat.
No.
Look at this thing. What is that?
It doesn't work.
Okay.
I couldn't tell you what it is. I just have some throw pillows from home pillows from Home Goods as well. I just have a little stool because it is impossible to get on this. This is embarrassing.
Oh my gosh.
All my shoes kind of get thrown there. The rest of my 30 shoes are under my bed. Over here I have my desk area, and these little boxes are from Target. Fish, my computer.
Oh, also the new dorms have these really nice wood desks, and they even, is this a locking like thing?
Yeah, I don't lock it though.
That's kind of nice.
And then if you want to show them the view I have, it's not as scenic as Sammy's, but right outside there's an elementary school. And
really great. There's some mountains in the back.
Yeah, so, and then this is my roommates. I have little twinkly lights we hung up just to make that weird fan thing cuter.
A lot of rooms have like at least a little piece of the wall that's concrete.
Do you have any tips for people that may be living in yakʔitະut̥u?
It's kind of weird signing up for dorms. It's very random. Actually, I signed up for Mindful Living, and in the new dorms, there's like 4 different buildings that have Mindful Living. So I ended up just getting into the Mindful Living 24-hour quiet honors living.
Alright, also we're going to talk about the bathrooms. We're going to go show you them. We're going to show you around a little bit. Like the Serenity rooms, TV rooms, kitchen, all of that. The bathrooms here are gender neutral. So you're sharing the bathroom with everyone in your whole building, well, per floor. A lot of people were kind of freaked out about that, I feel like, at first, but it's actually awesome. I haven't heard anyone really complain about it.
Yeah, so when I first moved in, my parents were like, like completely fine. Like, we'll show you. There's like little changing stalls. Everyone like obviously like wears robes, towels, and it's like kind of cute. Like once you get to know everyone, you're like, oh, good morning. But yeah, we're gonna go show you guys that right now. Just follow us. Well,
I'm really jealous of these dorms, by the way.
Okay, so you can see how it's like a short walk, not too bad. So right here, we have, and this is one of our friends. This is Drew.
What's up?
He's in the bathroom getting ready.
So you have these areas to just get ready. By the way, he approved of that. That wasn't weird. All right.
So it's kind of like a vanity. It's really nice. We have a lot of sinks. And then if you walk down this hallway, this is like bathroom pods. This,
yeah, ceiling to floor.
yeah, ceiling to floor, so you cannot peek over. There's 4 stalls on either side. The handicap stall is massive.
Do you feel like there's usually a ton of people in here when you're getting ready?
No, I've never had to wait for a shower. Over here is our lockers, which is like really nice.
You actually keep your stuff in here?
I've always kept my stuff in here because I don't want to carry my caddy. So this is mine. So I recommend a bag like this.
It can hang.
Because it smushes, it has a handle. And
you can get it from Target or Walmart.
I got it from like Best Buy,
okay.
And the water drains out, which is a perk. And I can hang it, we have hooks in the showers that I just hang it on the wall, get everything I need out of it. Here again, we have 3 showers on either side. There's 4 over there and 3 over here. And I'll show you what it looks like inside here. So this is the handicap.
Oh wait, what?
The handicap is massive.
Let's show a regular one too.
So this is like the changing room, and then in here there's a shower.
Oh my gosh.
There's a bench. There's
oh my gosh. I'm so. You have 2. There's 2 shower heads.
There's 2 shower heads.
Oh my gosh.
And then this whole area is changing. We have hooks to hang up our towels, robes.
It is so clean. I can't believe that.
It's cleaned every day.
Mine is disgusting, as you probably saw in the last video. Oh, and let's see a normal one. Okay, it's a little bit smaller, but still really
smaller,
awesome.
But you still have room.
And there's a place to put
change.
stuff.
This is where I put my soaps. Shower. It doesn't have 2 heads.
Now we're gonna go show the kitchen.
One great thing about this dorm, we have like dedicated study rooms. So in here is the study room. So there's desks, TV, there's special study cubes. If you come in, there's like a little desk.
Oh, and there's outlets too. You have these like nice views out there. You can kind of see through it. It's really pretty.
Sorry, we're filming for YouTube. Is that okay?
No, yeah, for sure.
So this is our kitchen. So here's a whole size fridge in case you want a room in your dorm. Then you can put stuff in here, but you just put your name on it so people don't take it. And then they give us a Keurig and toaster since we can't have them in our room, as well as a microwave over there.
Is there a microwave on other floors?
Yeah, so we have a microwave on the second one.
So if you don't have the kitchen on your floor.
Third one, yeah. And then over here we have a full
this is so nice.
burner and touchscreen oven.
Like a living room. What?
That people,
do people hang out in here a lot?
Yeah. People watch like Super Bowl and stuff in here.
In The Bachelor?
Yeah, Bachelor.
And then very nice views. And then here's just like an example of like seeing all the other yakʔitˈut೫dorms. Cool.
And then if you look up there, there's a second floor like hangout room. That's the study.
So we're on floor 2. There's study rooms on every floor.
Yeah, and then serenity rooms.
And how many stories is Napumu?
So Napumu is 3. That one right there is 5.
That's, yeah. So that's one of the living rooms
They
up
have
there.
Elevators in all these new dorms.
Usually people, no one's in here, I feel like.
I normally lay in my bed, not in here, but I could take a nap in here.
Okay, so we're in the Serenity room now. It's so pretty, really nice. You have this beautiful view. You can de-stress after your midterms and finals in here. Wow, it's so pretty. I wish I had this in my dorm. I try not to come in the new dorms because I get really jealous. So I stay in North Mountain a lot. I've been here like 8 times, that's it.
Yeah, I'm not complaining living here.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, there's some dorms that literally have this in the corner of the room, which is kind of hard because you have to like put their bed.
It's just a support beam, so it makes sense though.
We've had movie nights in here, and it's been very nice.
Alright, also guys, this is what the outside of the dorms all look like. It's really nice because there's a big grass area over there. People play spike ball a lot, volleyball courts, and there's basketball, and then lots of bike racks over there. Also, really, really cool grass area. That's where people usually hang out.
And once it gets warm, you'll see a bunch of people like laying there tanning, having fun, playing games.
All right, we're gonna end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you got more insight on yakʔitઅથ우's new dorm. All the dorms here on campus are great. They're really social. You'll have a great time your freshman year, no matter what.
It's so fun.
The dorm does not decide that. So just remember that, keep that in mind. All right, thanks so much for watching. Bye.